Alright, initially I just wanted to show you how easy it is for organizations to say have a motion detector as opposed to getting guessed that they'll say everybody's a good experience, bad experience. So if you have a camera pointed at a certain engagement spot, say front desk of your organization, you can just use something along these lines. So I have the video capture Python script that I'll run, and it's built on TensorFlow, so it uses a GPU to go ahead and do face detection. So I just run that, and what you're going to see is the pop-up window using my laptop camera to capture my image. And here I am. So it's showing that I have a neutral expression, happy expression, sad, fear, natural. So it's going off of various emotions that are pre-programmed into the model. So we'll just do angry. Angry. Why did you do that to me? I had such a bad guest experience. You sad. My room. Oh, I can't believe you charged me. Yep, that was some trouble with sad, but nice and neutral. Okay, so happy. But so this in this video, it's just basically showing you how easy it is to do, like bounding box, around a face, doing facial recognition, not recognition, but facial detection, object detection, and then taking those and just matching the data points, eyes, and crinkling of the nose, mouth, teeth, still kick his head, sad. I'm so sad. I don't know. But anyways, something along those lines, just to get a baseline for the value of something like this. In this script, I have it set up that it actually writes to a file. It does screen captures and writes to a file every time there's an angry or a sad emotion detected. So you could use that for back-end analysis, depending on who's working the front counter, but with that part of your business or organization is that deals with customer feedback or direct customer engagement, and you can actually gauge, okay, so over time this person's engagements are more happy or neutral, which is I guess fine now, or and then something to take a look at is, okay, well, why is this front counter person's engagements coming back skewed to sad or angry. So there you have it. So we're just going to go take a look at, I'll just go ahead and stop the feed. And then we're going to take a look at what we wrote. So here's the angry file, right? So we just do large icons and see. And so it's just going through, capturing angry, and it does the mounting box with the text label, angry. I wouldn't do every frame like I'm doing in this video per se, but every second, every 5 seconds, something along those lines to give a overall analysis of those interactions, over a given timeline. So that's angry, and then I go with the sad pictures. Those are showing angry. Go back to sad, and sad. So just and here we go. Those are the points of reference that you can use to attach actually a camera, an image of that customer interaction. And so what I also did was I wrote so the camera, and so it's just basically breaking out. It detected sad at this time, angry, sad, angry, sad, angry, sad. So like I said, going back to if you had a certain person who shift work, then you could just say, okay, well, we see the images and here's the detection, and you can go through and check to gauge against, or to buffer against false positives or false negatives, right? Or misreads. Humans are an odd bunch, and they're difficult to get a read on. But I think a system along these lines helps start to get a handle better on interactions. So there you have it, facial emotion detector over a camera feed. Thank you.